Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to keep your tuxedo in Red Dead Redemption 2. To obtain this elegant garment, you must progress through the main story. It becomes available during a particular mission, where it is automatically provided to your character. Once that mission is successfully completed, the tuxedo is permanently added to your wardrobe. You won't find it for sale in any shops, so focusing on the narrative is key to acquiring this unique outfit. Once you have acquired the tuxedo, the game automatically saves it for you. You can access this stylish outfit at any time by visiting a wardrobe. These are typically found in your camp or at various lodgings throughout the world. Simply open your wardrobe, navigate to the Outfits section, and select the tuxedo to wear it. It remains a permanent part of your clothing collection. A common question is how to maintain the tuxedo's appearance. Fortunately, outfits in Red Dead Redemption 2 do not degrade or get dirty over time. This means your tuxedo will always look pristine, no matter what adventures you undertake. There is no need for manual cleaning or repairs. The game ensures it remains in perfect condition. You can wear it confidently without worrying about its upkeep. The tuxedo is a fantastic outfit for adding a touch of class to your character. While it doesn't provide any special gameplay benefits or drawbacks, it's a permanent and stylish addition to your wardrobe. Feel free to wear it for any formal events within the game, or simply when you want to look your best. It's a unique garment to enjoy throughout your entire Red Dead Redemption 2 experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.